Welcome back, language learners. Today is day 45 of our English vocabulary journey with 27 powerful words to help you speak fluently. If you're preparing for an exam, improving your English, or just love learning, this video is for you. Make sure to subscribe and hit like. Employment, the state of having a paid job. Example, many young graduates struggle to find employment. Career, a long-term professional journey in a particular field. Example, she has built a successful career in finance. Occupation, a person's job or profession. Example, his occupation as a doctor requires long hours. Vocation, a strong feeling of suitability for a particular career. Example, teaching is a vocation. Colleague, a person you work with. Example, my colleagues are very supportive. Apprentice, a person learning a trade from a skilled employer. Example, he started as an apprentice. Retire, to stop working after reaching a certain age. Example, he plans to retire at 65. Pension, a regular payment made to retired employees. Example, he receives a monthly pension. Salary, a fixed amount paid regularly for work. Example, her salary increased after promotion. Wage, payment made for work, usually hourly. Example, the company increased the minimum wage last year. Vacancy, a job position that is available. Example, there is a vacancy for software engineer. Vacant, empty or unoccupied. Example, the hotel has many vacant rooms this season. Incumbent, the person currently holding a position. Example, the incumbent president is running for re-election. Release, to set free or make public. Example, the company will release its new product next month. Liberate, to free someone from restriction. Example, the soldiers liberated the prisoners. Discharge, to officially allow someone to leave. Example, the patient was discharged from the hospital. Expulsion, the act of forcing someone to leave. Example, his expulsion from school shocked everyone. Dismissal, the act of being removed from a job. Example, the employee faced dismissal due to misconduct. Expel, to force someone to leave an institution. Example, he was expelled for breaking the rules. Evacuation, the act of removing people from danger. Example, the town's evacuation was necessary due to flood. Exclude, to leave someone out. Example, he felt sad when friends excluded him from the trip. Omit, to leave out or not include something. Example, the report omitted important details. Inspect, to examine something carefully. Example, the manager will inspect the factory next week. Scrutiny, close examination or inspection. Example, the government's actions are under public scrutiny. Pursue, to follow or chase after something. Example, he is pursuing a degree in medicine. Retrospect, looking back at past events. Example, in retrospect, I realize I made the wrong decision. Great job! You just learned 27 new advanced English words to boost your fluency. Which do you find the most useful? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more daily vocabulary lessons. See you in the next video.